I'm going to show you how to fix the dead no power symptom that we commonly see with the QNAP model number TVS-672XT. First thing I want to do before I start the repair is confirm the customer's symptoms. The customer was saying that it was dead no power, so I have it plugged in and pressing power and we get nothing, completely dead. The customer mentioned the unit was working perfectly fine up until it needed an update, which they did run. The update went through no problem, but then the unit wanted to reboot. So it turned off, then never turned back on. So our first step, let's open it up. We're going to be paying specific attention to the chip that is under this black heatsink over here. So let's start by removing the heatsink. So this is the chip that is causing our no power, no boot failure. The only repair that I'm aware of at this time is to fully replace that chip, so that's what we'll go ahead and do next. First, before we do that, we do need to protect some of the plastic on the board, so let's cover it up with some Kapton tape. Alright, so I have removed all of the sensitive components, the processor, we had our battery, we had our NAND chip over here on a sub-daughter board that was removed. We've covered all of the plastic parts that could potentially melt, as well as a couple of capacitors. Same on the front side. So the motherboard is prepped and ready to go onto our rework machine. We finished the repair, installation was completed. I've already removed some of the Kapton tape. I have installed our RAM bricks, I've installed our processor and our new battery. Only thing is, we have very old crusty thermal paste, so we'll go ahead and clean that up. I'm just going to spray some isopropyl alcohol. We'll do the same to the heatsink. And we'll go ahead and put our new thermal paste. Add just a little bit more in those spots where it didn't spread to. Okay, it looks like we do have very good spread, so we're all set. We're going to do the same thing here. We'll put new thermal paste on our new processor chip that we installed. And of course, we'll go ahead and clean up the old thermal paste again. All right. Perfect. So motherboard is back in the device, everything's plugged back in. Plug it in and see what we get. System booting. Alright, and we do have a green light down here. Our fans are spinning. Alright, let's wait for it to boot all the way in, and then we'll put a hard drive and connect it to the network and make sure it connects properly. Our unit is powered on, TVS-672XT. Alright. And we have over here detected on the network, and here it is. So it is detecting it, it's able to access it. So I'm not actually going to do the formatting on screen just because that does take a while, but we will have the repair service linked in the video description below. So if you want to send in your unit for repair, whether it be this model or a different model, let us know in the comments as well if you're having similar or slightly different issues and you have questions. If you like the video, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.